In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type the letter 9, both in its capital and lowercase forms, using your keyboard. This handy little character is found in many languages, most prominently in Spanish, and knowing how to type it can be incredibly useful. Now let's dive into the process, which is quick and straightforward, especially when you're familiar with your keyboard's layout. First, let's talk about typing a capital N. You're going to want to use the Alt key, which is often located on the left side of your spacebar, though some keyboards have it on both sides. Once you've located the Alt key, hold it down. While you're holding the Alt key, you'll need to type the numbers 165 on your numeric keypad. It's important to note that this works best when using the numeric pad typically located to the right of your main keyboard. Make sure that numlock is turned on, as this will allow these keys to function as intended. Once you've typed the numbers 165 with the Alt key held down, release the Alt key, and voila, you should see a capital N appear on your screen. Now let's move on to typing a lowercase ni. The process is almost the same as typing the capital N's, but with a slight variation in the numeral code. Similarly, you'll start by holding down the Alt key. This time, while holding it down, you'll type the numbers 164 on your numeric keypad. As before, confirm that numlock is active. After typing these numbers, release the Alt key and you'll see a lowercase ni pop up on your display. These simple shortcuts save time and ensure accuracy when you need to include this specific character in your writing. This method we've gone over today works well in various text processing software such as Microsoft Word. If you're writing in other applications or on different operating systems, the process might vary slightly, but generally, this is a reliable way to type the letter ni. One additional tip: if you often find yourself typing in multiple languages, you might consider setting up a keyboard layout that accommodates various characters required by those languages. This can sometimes offer even quicker access to characters like ni. However, knowing the Alt code combination is always a great backup and is especially useful when using unfamiliar keyboards. And that's it. With these simple keystrokes, you can easily include the letter nin in your digital writing. Whether you're composing an email, working on a document, or chatting online, knowing how to type "9" ensures your text is as accurate and expressive as intended. I hope this has been helpful and that you're now more confident in adding a little linguistic flair to your digital communications.